Welcome students. Today we are going to learn the logic chapter statement pattern. Topic is statement pattern. Any symbolic form is given. You have to decide the statement pattern. First of all, a symbolic form you have to convert in the truth table. You have to find out the truth table of the symbolic statement. After find out the truth table, we have to see the last column. If the last column is totally true, all the values in the last column is true. Listen, there are three cases are going to come. All the values are true. This is one. And another one, listen, the last column is full of false. The last column is full of false. And third case, neither true nor false. It is neither true nor false. These are the three cases we are going to get. So, a statement will be given, symbolic form of the statement will be given. From the symbolic form of the statement, you have to prepare the truth table. In the truth table, we'll see the last column. Last column is full of true. Then the statement pattern is called tautology. So it is denoted by T. So a statement whose truth value is true, value of all prime components, all the possibility of prime components. What is prime components? P, Q, R are called prime components. All the possibility means both are true, true, false, false, true, true, true. In this all the possibilities, false, false. In all the possibilities, the final value, the truth table, the last column should be full of true, true, true it is coming. Then we'll write the statement pattern is tautology. The same one, the last in the truth table, last column is full of false. Then that is called contradiction. That is called contradiction. Contradiction means, so the last column is for all the possible value of prime components, the truth value is false, full of false. Now it is neither true nor false. That means true and false together it is coming, means we will say it is contingency. Simply, the sums will be given in two ways. One is find the statement pattern. That is one type of question. Statement pattern, the symbolic form will be given. Second one, verify it is tautology or contingency, that type of sums. Listen, let us see some examples now. See this sum. In this sum, PQR, all three prime components are there. Therefore, 8 different possibilities. Then you see the statement. In this statement, R table we have to use. In this statement, you see, R table we have to use. The table R. What is R? Both are true. Then it is true. True, false is also true. False, true is also. Both are false means it is false. All other possibilities, it is true. Only both are false, then it is false. All other possibilities, it is true. Then another one more table we have to use, that is if and only if, that is biconditional we have to use. In this biconditional both are true. In biconditional both are true, the truth value is true. Both are false also it is true. Rest of two cases it is false. So R table both are false, then it is false. All other cases true. Now we are going to use this truth value of biconditional and R. We are going to use it. Now first, as usual, we are writing what is P, Q, R values. We are writing true, 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 false, 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 4. Then true, true, false, false. We are completing that much. Then see, to get the left hand side, this one, first bracket P R Q, then P R Q with R. So first we will see P R Q, R table, both are true, that's why it is true. Both are true, 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 false, true, true, false, true, false, true, true, false, true, also true. Both are false, that's why it is false. This is also false. Next one, see the next one, PRQ, RR, PRQ already there, RR we have to find out. So these two columns we are going to compare, PRQ, RR we are going to compare. True, true, that's why it is true. True, false, true, 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 false, true. Listen, this one, the last one is false because both are false. That is R table. Next one, the right side value will find out, then we can go for biconditional. This value will find out. To find out this one, Q, R, R. Then with PR, listen, Q, R, R. This Q and R. The Q and R, the same way, both are true, 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 false, true, true. It is false. This one is false. Correct? Now, listen, and both are true, 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 false, false, true. That last one is also false. There are two cases. Now, P, R, Q, R, R. P, R, Q, R, R. Sorry. P, R, Q, R, R. So both are true. It is true, true, and true, true. So here only one false case is there. So we have it. Now listen, we have to go for if and only if statement for the biconditional truth table we are going to use. This is left side value, it is right side value. For this two we are going to use if and only if. This two. Yes. Now if and only if, you just know about that one. If both are true, then it will be true. If both are false, then also it is true. All other cases it is false. Listen, it is true, that's why it is also true. True, true, it is true. So both are true, both are true, both are true, both are true. It is true. Here false, here also false. So both are. So see the last column. All the values are true. That's why it is called tautology. So last column, all are true. That's why this statement is called tautology. The statement pattern is tautology. Now see there one more example. Listen. Here, first, what are the connectivity table are used? We are going to see. Here, and is there, negation and we have used. So, and table. And is only one possibility. Both are true, it will be true. Rest of all the possibilities, it is false. Negation is just opposite. And OR table, both are false, then false. All other cases, it is true. Now, only P and Q are used, PQ. Listen, only P and Q are used here. So, we have written PQ. And negation of P, negation of Q we want. That also we have written. Negation of P and negation of Q. Next one, this one. P and, listen, P and Q. The P and Q, so you are writing P and Q and for one. So, both are true, true. Rest of all the cases, it is false. Then, we'll come to negation of P or negation of Q, or condition. Or the truth table of R is, if both are false, then it will be false. All other possibilities, it is true. First one, both are false, false. And false, true, true, false, true, true. All the three cases, it is true. Next, at last condition, and of these two. True and false, false, false and true, true, true and false, false, false and true, true. So, this last column is full of false. Therefore, this is called contradiction. Symbolically, you can say C. It is called contradiction. Now, one more example for contingency also we can see. In this one, we have used P and Q. The truth tables are negation, truth table we have used, and conditional implies conditional. In this conditional, if P to Q both are true, it will be true. False to true, that is also true. False to false, that is also true. Then, if true to false is always false. This much. Now, PQ and negation we have found out. P2 negation of Q. P2 negation of Q. True to false, false. True to false is, this is a case, false. And listen, next one, true to true, true. And false to false, true. False to true, false to true, that is also true. Now, in this one, the next one, P and this one, P and P tends to negation of Q. P and P tends to negation of Q. Listen, this one, P and this one. So, true to false is false. Then next one, true to true, it is true. False to true, false and true, false, false to true, false. And condition we have used. The third, last one, this much is implies to Q. So, order is very important. The order is from here to Q, not T to F, F to T. It is true. And T to F, that is false. F, false to true, true. False to false, that is also true. So, listen, order is very important. Here we are using, listen, this one to Q. So, this one is first. That's why we should see false to false, that is true, and true to Yes, second one, true to yes. Listen, this one to Q, this one to Q. So false to true, that is true. True to false, that is false. So order is very important. This is a direction you have to see. If you see false to true, then it will become true. That's why the order is important. This is first, this one is going to this one. So now we have seen the statement pattern. There are three types we have discussed. We'll come back to the lesson. What is tautology? It is, or we will convert the statement to truth table form. In the truth table, the last column is full of true. That means all the possible prime components is true. Then it is called tautology. If all the truth values of all the possibilities of prime components I am saying PQ, prime components is false, then it is contradiction. If it is true, we can denote it by T. If it is false, full of false, that is called contradiction. That will be denoted by C, small letter. The statement pattern, which is neither tautology nor contradiction, that means it is not full of true or not full of false. True and false together it is there, means that is called contingency. The three type of examples we have seen, or the three type we have seen the examples. Now listen, one more sum we will discuss now. Yes. Yes, my dear. This is a statement pattern is given. This is a statement pattern is given. I have to decide where the what is the statement pattern we have to decide. These are the sums it is given. First I will see the sum. What are the table I should use? I will see. What are the table I am going to use? What are the truth table? Truth table of implies, that is conditional I have to use. Then truth table of and also I am going to use. The conditional table, P is true, Q is also true, then it is true. P is false, but Q is true, then also it is true. Both are false, then also it is true. Now, true to false is false. True to false is false. And means both are true. All other possibilities it is false. Okay. P value. True. And it is true, false. First. Then we are going to apply the property of implies. Both are true, that's why it is true. True and false is false. True and false is only false case. True and true is true. And listen, it is true. 1 minute. Yes, better. First one is true, false. Second, true, false. Yes. Now we are going to take the conditional table. Conditional table, both are true, it is true. Both are false, also it is true. False to true is also it is true. True to false is false. Now Next one you see, next one is this value. Next one is the P to Q2 and Q, this two and Q. True, true, that is true. False, false is false. True, true is true. True and false is false. So, now we have completed the bracket value. Now, once again, the conditional property, that is to this value. Listen, this value, this all the value is going to P. So, conditional order is important. True, true, that's why it is true. True, false, false to true, true. True, true, false, it is false. So, next one, it is true, it is false, false to false, false it is. So, in this case, both the conditions means we are getting the true as well as false, both are coming. So this table is contingency. It is not contradiction, it is contingency. Now see that one more sum. In this one, in this sum, and negation, if and only if, and conditional. Most of all the table we have used. First P value, true, true, false, false. It is true, false, okay. Then negation of Q. Negation of Q is false. This false will go to true. The true will go to false. This false will go to true. Then next one, P and negation of Q. P and negation of Q. This one. P and negation of Q means we'll go for the P and negation of Q. Listen, it is false and table, both are true, then only it will be true. It is true, false, 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 true, that is also false. Next, P to Q. The P to Q, the table is conditional. Conditional table we are saying, true to true, it is true. True to false is false. False to true is true. False to false is also true. Now, last one, biconditional for other two values. Biconditional value for this two. Biconditional. In biconditional, both are true, it will be true. Both are false, then it will be false. So, it is true. Now listen, it is false, it is false, it is also false, it is also false. Full of false. All the values are false means this statement pattern is contradiction. This statement pattern is contradiction. Listen. So, it is this one is, first one is contingency, second one is contradiction. This. Thank you, my dear.